Hi guys, so we've done the assembly of the flexible fish. And I'd said this episode I was going to assemble this, the battery drive unit. But before we do that, I remembered that I did have one already. So this is the earlier version that I've got. And I have looked and it's not exactly the same, but this one will do the job. We seem to be missing one battery lead, because one goes to there, one goes to there, and then there should be another one between the two. That's disappeared, but I can deal with that. So this one's ready made up. We will have a look in that kit to see what's there, but I intend to use this one because I've already got it. And we'll put this on top. I may screw it in place, and then we have to take that handle off and put a pulley on there. That one goes on the smaller shaft there, and we'll go onto a pulley on there. And that will motorise it. And then obviously, being as it's nice sunny weather, the next thing will be to see if there's anything we can do about replacing the batteries and running it off a solar panel, which would be nice. So there may be 4 episodes here, rather than this being the last one. Now, there is a minor problem. We're missing the extra pulley, because that extra pulley will be on whatever I used it on last time. So I am currently 3D printing one to match. So we'll use this unit, 3D printed pulley on there, and that'll be the job. It won't look quite right because it will be green PLA instead of a nice piece of wood, but it'll do the job. Now we will have a look in here. Oh, that's part of the other kit. So same, excellent. If you've got a problem, ring Louise Willis, model expert. Universal drive kit, because you can put it together in different arrangements depending on where the pulley needs to go for your whatever it is you've assembled. So that way round for the accordion player, caterpillar, double bass player, golfer, kissing couple. Kissing couple is one that I've done. Unicyclist, that way round for skateboarder, Stevenson's rocket, T-Rex vintage car. That way round for drummer, flat bits lion, flat bits elephant, flat bits monkey. Monkey I did. Guitarist, pianist I've done. Woody Blues, Chirpy Chicks, Beam Engine, Biplane, Dragon. Is it Dragon I've done? I think it's Dragon I've done. Fish. So it's that way round for the fish. Pirate Panic, Rower, Magician. This shows you how to put the bits together. Basically, motor goes through. Well, let's have a look at the bits. Got some spacers, some glue. That glue is not going to be any good to anybody. That's rock hard. So that might as well go in the bin. Bear in mind, these are kits I've got from charity shops. These aren't new from anywhere. So that's the main bit, the motor unit. that's that bit. And then we've got a couple of holes there for the pulley to go through, or at least the shaft for the pulley. And then just various bits and pieces. Got all the I keep wanting to call them rubber bands, they're not rubber bands. Legs, that's the shaft for the pulley that spins on. That's the pulley that we're missing, and I could use that one, but as I say, I'm 3D printing one anyway. On-off switch, bit of sandpaper. And then next layer down, that's the main base, which, as you can see, is different to the main base that I had there. So one of these is a earlier version. I wouldn't know which is which. I can't remember how long I've had that one for. Quite a while. Different size on-off switch, interestingly enough. Significantly bigger. So although this is the same kit, it's different. But we're not going to assemble that. We're going to take a shortcut, use that one. As I say, I may well screw the fish on the top here. Everything they normally glue together, but if you glue it together, you're not going to be able to reuse it the next time. So I'll screw it on. And we'll do that in a little while when the 3D printer's finished. Just see if I can do what I intended to do and push that through. Beeping noise in the background. Here's my tea is ready. That is coming out. Right, got there eventually. It was just being awkward. So that comes off, and the one that I'm 3D printing will go on. Right, 3D printing done. Right, I will glue that on. I'll try super glue again, and then we need to position it. I might try it without gluing it in place first. That bit's in case we need to turn it by hand. Sort that out in a minute. I'll get some batteries so we can join it up, link it together, do whatever we need to do. Need a bit of wire as well, so I'll sort that out. I've put it in place, put batteries in, put the wire in that was missing. I haven't screwed it in place, I've just used a bit of blue tack to hold it in place at the moment, just so we can see it running. Those batteries are nickel metal hydride rechargeable, so they're only 1.2 volts each, 2.4 total. So a little bit less voltage than it might be expecting if it's expecting nice fresh alkali batteries. So it's a little bit slower than it might be. And I'm thinking if I do make it solar powered, it might be even slower. It depends what sort of solar panel I can find in my stock. I also realised I haven't used any of this wax, candle wax on it to reduce the friction. So we need to put some under there, where these rub together, a little bit in there. The joins, the friction points there, the axle bearings. So there's a few things we can do to speed it up a little bit. Not that we want it to go fast. And this is what we've got. And you probably don't really want it any faster than that. Could probably do without that squeaking noise. I think that's actually that's making the squeaking noise, not this. So a bit of lubrication on that one. But that should be a slightly shorter video than the last two, because they went on a bit. Yeah, I'll put a bit of wax on it, see if it makes it go any better. And then next thing I'll do is have a look through my stock and see if I can find a suitable solar panel. It'll need to be a fairly big one. I have got some fairly big ones I've used for boats. So I'll just see what I can find. But that'll be another video. Don't need scissors for that. Just open it. So. Said something about putting it on and then polishing it. I've no doubt they know what they're doing because they've been doing this for years. I'm just surprised they should think about polishing it. I'll put a bit of lubrication in there too. Right, try that again. That's a bit quieter. Bit of lubrication everywhere. It's much quieter. Still hear it, but it's much quieter than it was. That'll do now. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.